Parades and outdoor events are thrilling, filled with whistles, music, shouting, and laughter. But they can also be quite loud. When the excitement of loud music or cheering crowds becomes overwhelming, slipping on a pair of earplugs can really help protect your hearing. You want to enjoy every moment, but keeping your ears safe is just as important. At parades, you never know what might fly your way, whether it's confetti or candy. Wearing sunglasses not only helps you look stylish, but also shields your eyes from bright lights and any flying objects that could. Crowded public spaces can come with dust or strong odors. If you notice something unpleasant, quickly cover your mouth and nose with your shirt and get out of the area. Remember, staying safe allows you to enjoy the fun even more. So, embrace the excitement.